Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV's breaking news bulletin.
TTP chief's leaked call reveals terror plans. A leaked call from the Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan (TTP) chief has revealed nefarious plans to carry out terrorist attacks in Pakistan. Security forces are on high alert and have increased security measures in sensitive areas.
PMLN and PPP agree to file review petition. The Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PMLN, and Pakistan People's Party, PPP, have agreed to file a review petition against the PTI reserved seats verdict. The parties have decided to challenge the Supreme Court's decision, citing irregularities in the election process.
We have some major developments in the country, so let's dive right in.
Heavy rainfall and thunderstorms have hit major cities across Pakistan, causing widespread flooding and damage. The Pakistan Meteorological Department has issued a warning for citizens to stay indoors and avoid travel.
The government has formed a commission to investigate the outbreak of violence at a political rally in Banu. The commission will be headed by a retired judge and will submit its report within a week.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching Nambardar TV's breaking news bulletin. We'll keep you updated on all the latest developments.